Frontier models like Claude and GPT-4o process complex logic at superhuman speeds, yet they sit isolated from the actual internet. They can write production-ready code, but they cannot deploy it to a server. They can draft a perfect client email, but they have no way to click send. Currently, bridging this gap requires expensive middleware platforms or brittle custom scripts that break whenever an API updates. Without a direct connection to the web's infrastructure, these models remain incredibly smart, paralyzed calculators. NMCP is a universal API orchestrator designed to give artificial intelligence a digital body. It connects models to over 1,500 tools across 100 different services, like Slack, GitHub, and Stripe, requiring zero manual configuration. The protocol enables AI to operate as an autonomous digital workforce that executes tasks directly. Take a simple command. Find discussions about our app on Reddit, summarize the sentiment, and ping the marketing team on Slack. In the first millisecond, the AI parses that intent and reaches out to the 0NCMP orchestrator to locate the required tools. The conversational request is translated into the structured logic of the .0n standard. This mapping allows plain English to directly manipulate internet architecture. Providing an external AI model with direct access to your private API keys creates a severe security risk. To solve this, 0n Vault creates a hardware-bound barrier between the AI's engine and your private credentials. Through a zero-knowledge capability proxy, 0NCMP executes the API call. The model provides the instructions, but never sees the keys unlocking the data. Because the encryption is tied to your local hardware, your tokens and passwords stay on your machine. True AI autonomy is only possible when the underlying security layer is invisible to the model itself. Legacy automation systems process tasks in a linear chain. They query Reddit, wait for a response, and only then attempt to open the Slack connection. For complex prompts, 0MCP employs the radial burst execution model. It rapidly fans out multiple simultaneous data streams, hitting every single required API at once to achieve sub-second execution. This allows AI agents to operate at a scale that manual human operations cannot reach. The result arrives instantly. A summarized sentiment report pings the team, completed without a single line of custom code. Since the orchestration layer is model agnostic, the system functions regardless of which AI provider you use. You can use the 0NPlex Multi-AI Council to force different models, like Claude and GPT-4o, to debate and execute tasks simultaneously. This consensus-based processing removes single points of failure, increasing the reliability of complex, high-stakes tasks. Hand-coding rigid software pipelines is becoming an unnecessary friction. We are moving toward declarative outcomes, where you describe what you want to happen rather than telling a machine how to do it. 0MCP provides the engine for this shift, turning the entire web into an accessible toolkit for artificial minds. By mapping thought to API execution, the internet becomes a predictable, callable extension of human intent.